Hey guys, happy 2018. It feels like so long since I filmed a video and I feel like a streal today, but I wanted to sit down and film a couple of videos. So you're probably gonna see the same outfit a couple times. But I wanted to do some filming while I was out home and just never got around to it. I had a pure like veg out, relax kind of Christmas, and it was so much fun. I hope you guys had an awesome Christmas too. So today I'm going to do a what's in my travel makeup bag video, and I totally planned to film this while I was home. I didn't get around to it, and now I have all my makeup just laid out and scattered here, not put away because I really want to film this. So I figured today would be the best day so that I could finally put it all away. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna show you guys bit by bit what was in my travel makeup bag, and I'll try and go in the order of how I apply my makeup. The first thing I'm gonna start with is this Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. I really enjoy this. I think this is a great primer. It has like a peachy pink tone, so when it goes on, it really evens out and corrects any discoloration, and it really brightens your skin, and I love the cooling feeling. It just feels really nice and soothing on my skin. So yeah, I'd highly recommend this. I'm kind of starting to run low, but I think I'm definitely going to pick this up again when I run out. Next up is the Tarte Shape Tape. I love this concealer. I'm actually almost getting down to the end of this, and I have another couple of concealers that I want to go through in my collection. So I don't think I'll be repurchasing this right away. But yeah, I'm gonna try and use this up, and I think I would repurchase it down the road. So yeah, I really love this. Super full coverage. If you have really dry under eyes, I don't think that you would like this because it is a drying concealer, if that makes sense. I don't have any issue with it moving around or like getting into creases. Even if I don't set it, it really sets down by itself. But yeah, I really do like this concealer. Very full coverage. And then the foundations that I brought home with me were the YSL All Hours foundation, and then the Lancome Tient Idole foundation. I really love these two. They're both super high coverage concealers, great for oily skin and controlling oils. So I have the shade B20 in the YSL All Hours, and then I have the shade 140 Ivory in the Lancome, and I love the two of these. I do mix them though because this one's a little too light for me, this one's a little too dark for me, so I'm just in the middle of the two of them. But yeah, I really love the combo together. Then I have, of course, the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I have this one tipped upside down because I'm like getting to the very bottom of it, but I do have a backup all ready to go. This is the perfect translucent powder for setting your makeup. It keeps it in place all day. I absolutely love it, and I usually use it with the puff, which is awesome. And then of course I brought home my beauty blender and then my eyelash curler, which I initially forgot. Nate had to bring it home for me. He came home a few days later, so I got him to take this along with him. Then I have two of my absolute must-haves at all times. This is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Mad Max Brown. It's a really deep, dark, liquid brown liner. And then I have the Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown. And then I also had to bring along the Makeup Forever Brow Sculpting Kit. This is a really great kit with 3 different powders, a wax, and then a brightening cream that you put underneath your eyes to make them look lifted. Underneath your eyebrows to make them look lifted. And it comes with the eyebrow brush and then a spoolie brush, which is awesome. Oh, then I have another powder. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Micro Finishing Powder. This is a white translucent powder. This comes in 3 different shades, and I really like finishing my makeup with this. So after I'm completely done my makeup, I have everything set in place. I'll usually go over my T-zone with this just to make sure everything is absolutely locked in and stays in place. This is a really great powder. You can't see it at all on your skin, and it helps elongate the longevity of my makeup, if that makes sense. Elongate the longevity. And then more Makeup Forever. This is a couple more face products. So this is one of the create your own custom palettes. So this is mine. So I have here a highlighter, a blush, and then a bronzer. These are awesome, super pigmented. I don't have the numbers of the powders right now, but I'll definitely leave it in the description bar if you guys are interested. This is such a pretty highlighter, and then I love this blush. It's a matte shade, perfect for every day, and then the matte bronzer is awesome. So they are really good products. And then I had another bronzer with me. This was something that I got for Christmas along with a palette. So this is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Light Medium Bronzer. I used to have this before. I was absolutely obsessed with it. I'm so excited to have it again. This is such a great bronzer. It goes really well with my fair skin tone. It smells amazing and it's very blendable. So I love this. This is a little sample size and look how cute it is. It's so thin and awesome to travel with. So I'm really excited to have that. And then for blush, I had the Nars Luster Blush, which is one of my all-time favorites. I talk about this so much. I'm wearing it today, and this is a shimmery peachy tone warm blush. I really love this. And this is actually a product that I really like to pan this year. I'm thinking about starting project pans, so let me know if you guys are interested in seeing that. This year, I really want to focus on using what's in my collection and buying less makeup. So I'm gonna say that's one of my New Year's resolutions. So yeah, I think this is a product that I really like to pan because I've had it for quite some time. It just seems like it's the never-ending blush, but I'm gonna give it my best go. I have, of course, had the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I can't leave home without it. It's gorgeous. You can do so many nice warm eye shades with this. Obviously, I used a lot of blushes. But yeah, this is an awesome palette. I'd probably say this is my all-time favorite. And then I had the Tartelette Toasted palette, which is another great warm shade palette. So there it is. Has this awesome mirror, which I used every day, perfect for traveling. When you're at home and you're when you're away from your usual setup, it's always so hard to do your makeup, and the lighting is just so different at my parents' house. But I found that this mirror really kind of made it easy to get up close and be able to do my makeup. So yeah, there's the shades in there. They're stunning. They're super orangey, which I think looks really great with blue eyes, so I like that a lot. This is a palette that I actually got for Christmas, so I got to using this after Christmas. This is the new Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I really love that packaging. And then inside is all these amazing shimmery colors. You guys know I love shimmers so much. And this is like just enough mattes for me because I don't really tend to go for matte eyeshadows, but yeah, it has 4 mattes in there and it's just the standard perfect ones that I need for an eye look. But yeah, I wore this New Year's with one of my Stila glitter shadows and I thought that it was a really good look. So yeah, I'm excited to play with that more. Then more blush. I had the Anastasia Blush Kit with me. This comes with 4 different blush shades. So you really get a color in there for any kind of look that you're trying to do. So I thought that was perfect to bring home. And I had, the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. It has one of those big brushes, kind of like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And it really gets into all your lashes and makes them look thick and black. And I think this is absolutely great. And then I had the Hard Candy Metallic Eye Def metallic eyeshadow with me. I loved playing with this around Christmas time. It's such a pigmented shadow. It stays on for so long. I was using this on my inner corner and I love the way that it looked. And then I had a highlighter with me. This is the Diorskin Nude Air Luminizer in 001. It gives you that really pretty glow, but it looks natural at the same time and not too jarring like a lot of highlighters can look. Last couple things I had were lip products, so I'm going to try and go through them fairly quickly because I did bring quite a few. For some reason, I can never narrow down lip products when I go home, no idea why. First 3 were these Nars lip pencils. I love traveling with these. They make it so easy. So the first one I had was Cruella, which I actually never ended up wearing. I for some reason thought I needed to bring a red home for Christmas. I was like, yes, I'm gonna wear a red. Never happened, so that was kind of a waste to bring home. But I do wear these 2 a bunch. So this is Dolce Vita, one of my all-time favorite colors. It's like this corally matte color and it looks really great on. And then Sex Machine, which is a pinky tone and it has some shimmer in there. But I really love these. They're kind of drying on the lips, but they just look so natural. So if you prep your lips good for them, you'll really like these. From Makeup Forever, so I had the sample size of the 3C color, which is very nude. And then I had this pinky tone one in N11, one of my all-time favorites. Then I had my Dior Lip Sugar Scrub, which is awesome. It helps get any dead skin off your lips. And I love that it's in like a stick form. It also leaves a really nice pinky tone behind. So I'm actually almost out of this. That's all I have left. So sad, but I love this stuff. Then I had this Smashbox liquid lipstick with me in Babe Alert. This was for my Secret Santa, Steven, so thank you. I really love this color, and these really do stay on, like they don't budge once you have them on. And this is a really comfortable liquid lipstick formula, so I'm so excited to have this. Then I have my all-time favorite with me. This is Chanel Boy, and this is a really great My Lips But Better color. It just really amplifies and enhances the color of my lips. It has a light shimmer in it and they're very moisturizing. So yeah, that was everything that was in my travel makeup bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you guys had a great Christmas holidays and what you guys must travel with. So anything that's your must-haves that you can't leave home without. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at makingupashlee, and I'll be talking to you guys soon. Bye!